Engineering companies and operators of large facilities must adhere to numerous requirements to ensure their structures are safe, environmentally sound, and comply with time and budget constraints. Integrated simulation within the 3D Experience Twin leverages simulation-driven design, construction, and operations in order to deliver accountable, reliable, and predictable performance for the full plant lifecycle. 3D Experience provides collaborative dashboarding to allow stakeholders to follow projects and quickly access critical information. In early design stages, process engineers must test and validate new process designs against all operating cases. With system behavior modeling, it is possible to simulate the behavior of fluidic, electrical, and logical systems within a plant. Through automation, design of experiment processes can be leveraged to assess various operational and accidental scenarios and suggest the best-suited design alternatives to meet all requirements. 3D Experience provides digital continuity between 2D piping and instrumentation diagrams and 3D CAD with 3D structural and flow simulation. In this example, seismic design for ground settlement caused by an earthquake is analyzed. Since it is not possible to predict in advance what the worst-case scenario is, many scenarios are simulated using an automated process. The simulation is fully captured and automated to easily assess the structural behavior of the system for all loading conditions. The two most severe cases are quickly identified, compared, and shared with the civil engineering team to ensure that the foundation is sufficient to support the worst-case loads. The 3D Experience Twin can be coupled with a control system emulator, providing an exact replica of the control system. All human interactions can now be simulated. Operators can learn how the plant behaves before operating any real assets. Once the plant is operational, the 3D Experience Twin can be connected to real-time information to become an as-maintained virtual model, and enables them to perform what-if scenarios virtually before performing them in the field. During inspection, metal loss due to corrosion of the piping system has been detected and measured using ultrasonic thickness mapping. The thickness profile of the piping in the virtual plant can be updated to match the actual profile measured in the field. A fitness for service assessment can be performed according to international standards to determine if the piping needs to be repaired or replaced immediately. Simulation-driven plant design and operations on the 3D Experience platform with full digital continuity allow you to capture optimization opportunities by fostering cross-disciplinary collaboration, minimize engineering rework by turning simulation best practices into shareable and reusable processes, make better informed decisions with full traceability and a direct link to requirements and specifications. Simulation powers innovation.